Yo, what's good? It's Cameron. Also, on the server back in another video. I know it's been like how long has it been? I don't even know. It's like I think like 2, 3 months, maybe. I actually don't know. But we're back with another video. Today we're reacting to Raye Nightingale Lane. 5 minute song. I'm ready. Um, I haven't heard it yet. Clearly, I'm reacting to it. I don't know what to expect. It's Raye, so it's gonna be great. Obviously, I seen some posts saying like the vocals were amazing, and it's like, yeah, yeah, of course, yeah. What are we expecting? But let's get right into it.
This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known. This song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street, in the South London suburb.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. It's like, why am I already pausing? We're in 15 seconds in. I'm just gonna let it play, bro. But this is definitely going into the playlist right here. Yeah, bro.
This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known. This song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street, in the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin.
Raye is so good. She's so good. I heard a snippet. I don't even know what I heard, but from the snippet that I did hear, or whatever it was, it didn't sound like it was gonna sound like this. And this is, ooh, this is beautiful. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh, bro.
This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known. This song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street, in the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer stained and tear stained. Was a pain that made me colder now. After the oceans I cried, I made of steel, just floating now. But when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let them go now. Just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself to go on, just say somebody loved me once, and someday somebody will again, like the way you loved me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true.
Oh my, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It sounded like we're in church. It sounded like we in church. Her vocals, oh my, on this part, it sounded like hold on.
And someday somebody will again, like the way you loved me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I loved you. It was right there, early June, next door, Park Avenue. On Nightingale Lane, standing in the rain, I watched him walk away down the road. Took me long all years to get over you.
Oh my God.
Was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But at the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was, and I sigh when I drive down this road. I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let them go now. way I love you.
Bro. Oh, I'm ready for the album. I'm ready for the album. Oh my god. This song is like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like, bro. I don't have words. I don't know. I don't have words for it. I don't even know. It is, bro. It's so. It's so good, dude. It's so good.
Was right there, and it was in June, next to Old Park Avenue. Standing in the rain, I watched them walk away.
And this beat.
I've dabbled in love since maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down. And knock them walls down. When the odds are down and strong, I'm reminded
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These vocals are. Oh yeah.
you now. I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down. And knock them walls down. When the odds are down and strong, I'm reminded though I've let him go now. Right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me, and someday someone will. Someone will. I know it. I know it. I know it. Someone will love me like the way you loved me on Nightingale Lane.
Loud, 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 loud. Bro. No, no, no,
Card
no.
games.
No, 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 no. That, the build up. Oh my god, I didn't want to pause it. I couldn't pause it. I couldn't. That build up. Oh my god. And then she just. Oh god. That felt like a. It's like, I want to say who she feeling like, but it's Raye. It's Raye. She's feeling like Raye. Ray's gonna do what Ray's gonna do, and it's gonna be amazing every time. Oh my god. I just had to stand up and clap, round of applause, but I didn't want to get up in the middle of the song. I had to let it finish. Bro, hold on.
I've let him go now. Right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me, and someday someone will. Someone will. I know it. I know it. I know it. Someone will love me like the way you loved me on Nightingale Lane.
No, 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 no. Bro, this how long has the song been out, bro? It's been like it's been definitely a few weeks maybe, bro. There ain't no way I've been missing out on this for this long. February 27th. Oh, that's not too bad actually. But bro, I've been. I'm sorry, Ray. Never again. I will never be late again. I could have. Can I play it one more time? Can we play? Can I play it one more time? Please, just let's just play one more time.
Someone gon' come along and knock them walls down. And knock them walls down. When the lights drive down this road, I'm reminded though I've let him go now. Right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me, and someday someone will. Someone will. I know it. I know it. Someone will love me like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane.
And then she just ends it like that because she knows she. Oh my god, she knows she ate, so she just ends it like yeah. No, I didn't mean to flex like that or nothing. I'm just like. It's Ray. What should I have? I don't even know. I don't know. I should have came in here expecting. I should have came in here expecting this, to be honest, because it's Ray. So how am I shocked? This. Oof. This was amazing. I'm ready for that album. When the album drops, I will not be late. I will not be late. Trying to get back into posting. We don't keep it up, hopefully. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane. If you made this far in the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment your thoughts on the song. Comment down any other songs, videos, or albums, whatever that I should react to. And holy, we are out. Bro.